Would you look at that? What do you think of this? And yes, that was all done by AI. And to be specific, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you the new video generator feature from Midjourney. It is simply amazing. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. So let's go to the Midjourney website, and now on the Explore page, let's click on Videos. Because before we will use it ourselves, we will take a look at what it has already done. Look at that. Here we can see what the community already created with the Midjourney video generator feature. Doesn't that look stunning? Okay, now we will try it ourselves. Since I do not want to write the prompts myself, let's ask Gemini to give me like 7 prompts. Okay, now let's generate the first image, and let's make it portrait. Let's pick this image. And now on the right, we can choose to animate it. We have 4 options to animate the image. We can use the auto low motion, auto high motion, and the manual low motion and the manual high motion. We will try them all out. And it is really simple to understand what it means. Auto means that you do not have to write a prompt, and it will animate itself. Manual means that you can type in the prompt what you want to see. I will type whistling. And the difference between low motion and high motion is simply the speed and number of things happening in the generated video. The generation is quite fast and takes around 1 minute. Let's take a look. That looks so good. There are 2 ways of downloading the video. We can download it normally, and we will get a 480p resolution video. And then we can also opt to click on this phone icon, the social media enlarged version. This will upscale the video. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Here are the other results. Now these are the high motion results, and yes, as you can see, there is more happening in the video. And by the way, all the videos are 5 seconds long. Here are the manual results where I included the word whistling. Yeah, to be honest, he isn't whistling, but mumbling or talking a bit. Okay, now I will generate the other 6 example images and animate them as well. Enjoy! Now I will take the prompt of this video and generate an image out of it and animate it. So cool! And you know what, guys? We can even extend the animations for another 4 seconds. You can either click on Extend Auto or Extend Manual. And yes, when you click on Extend Manual, you can add new words to the prompt. So let's add wearing sunglasses. Amazing. Let's extend it again for another 4 seconds. And yes, it seems we can extend it as long as we want, so let's extend it again. And yes, now finally we can see her wearing the sunglasses. Last but not least, we can also choose to add an image from outside Midjourney and animate it. Like we can take this image of Donald Trump and add a prompt that goes like, "Start singing." And beware, guys, for some nightmare fuel. Haha, yes, I warned you. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Generate some amazing videos or even entire movies with Midjourney and have a lot of fun. See you in the next video. Bye.